Do you know that elegance begins with creativity? So today I'll show you how to turn simple materials into this stunning royal blue fascinator that steals the spotlight. This isn't just a fascinator, it is a statement of grace and boldness. So watch out how I bring this to life. As listed below, we'll be needing tiny cords, millinery wire, Alice band, gum, feathers, any feathers of your choice. So let's get started. First step is to use your tiny cords. For this you can use bias or even fabric if you are comfortable with it, to wrap your millinery wire. And the length of the millinery wire depends on how bulky, how massive you want your wire work to look. For this design, I used 3 yards of millinery wire, same with the tiny cord. So first you spread your gum on the millinery wire, just a little to hold it down, then you wrap it. Normal piping, you wrap it from the beginning of the wire to the end. It's very simple. So have you subscribed to the Model TV? If you haven't, hit the subscription button now, and don't forget to like this video, comment and share the video if it's valuable. Also remember to turn on all notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a video, because I always upload interesting videos. So you keep piping, binding, covering the millinery wire till you get to the end. While doing this, you have to hold the tiny cords firmly to ensure that it's tightened so that it does not loosen up, while you are trying to fold, bend and twist. Do this neatly and firmly till you get to the end. So at the end of the wire, you spread your gum again to secure it. Take your time to bind it very well. Hold it down to ensure that the gum holds very well. Then the second step will be to fold the wire into loops. As you can see, you can use sellotape, you can use candle gum to put them together, but for me I used the tiny cords to tie it up, hold them down and attach it to Alice band. This is a very simple design, very easy, doesn't take time, but yet it looks so sophisticated and very unique. Assuming you want to make maybe love shape or any shape with the wire, all you need to do after putting them together the way I've done so far, you now use your hand and bend the wire to your desired shape. Just a bend. You can make any shape, any twist to this millinery wire, and it will give you exactly what you want. So I've done that. Now I'm using trimming to finish up. The tiny cords did its work, so I'll use the trimming to do the finishing. This is the outcome of the design. Let me hear from you in the comment section. How do you see this? Is this simple enough? Will you be trying it out? But I assure you that it will sure look good on you, so try it out. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share the video.